everyone. We are excited to be part of AI Hardware Summit 2021. This setup here demonstrates Synopsys PCIe Gen 6 IP in TSMC 5 nanometer interoperating with Samtec's AI machine learning chassis. Synopsys PCIe 6 transmitter is connected to its receiver in loopback mode through several riser cards and backplane channels with total insertion loss of 36 dB. We have excellent performance with 4 GB additional loss than the spec, allowing designers to have a lot more margin. This concludes Synopsys PCIe 6 out-of-the-box ecosystem interoperability, enabling its adoption for the AI accelerators. Thank you for watching.